exciting day today, haven't we, Ted?
Yeah, we just didn't play the one just now, but now it's also just cooking now.
And we thought today we would show you how we make our
Pizza! Today we thought, and yesterday me and my daddy went out to get them.
And they are called bagels. And we'll show you what they look like, shall we?
Okay, just like this.
I'll do the syrup for you.
Doesn't matter. Because I'll go just here like anyway. Okay, boys and girls, do you want to see how we make pizza?
First of all, we'll show you our bagels. Now, these are very interesting. They're like bread rolls, but they're a different shape, as Ted's going to show you.
So, bagels, if you want to make a pizza or hamburger like the other one,
You take them apart.
is that your one or mine?
This will be your one. What they come apart, you see, if you're gentle with them. And what you can do
Sounds hot. So,
Is-
boys and girls, this is like when, say, boys and girls, this is like we make a real pizza.
exactly.
Like boys and girls, and just, you know, do you remember the show when we was making a beef burger?
Oh, I hope you watched that show. That was brilliant, wasn't it? We really enjoyed
That was
that.
the best show, wasn't it?
Yes.
And we actually made it. Okay, do you see? My mummy had two mates, and I have one, and Daddy has one. So instead, you have two, isn't it?
I do have to, but that's because I do most of the cooking, don't I?
That's because I chose you. Do you like the flower one?
I do. What do you think, boys and girls?
They think it looks pretty on you.
Oh, thank you very much. Right, I think what we'll do first is put our tomato puree on there. Would you like to show the boys and girls how you do
Is
that?
this mine? That's yours and that's mine.
Yes.
Shall I put the tomatoes? Shall we get the tomato?
Oh, shall we do the tomato sauce first?
Yeah. So boys and girls, this is tomato sauce. Oh really? Have you had this before, boys and girls?
Have they had it before?
Yes, they have. And guess what, boys and girls? I love this, don't I?
Yes, you love lots of it on yours, don't you?
Yeah. And I love this. And that's why one is funny to that. And that is mine. We're making three of them, aren't we?
Oh, well, we'll make 4. So we've got 2 each.
How shall I put it on there?
Well, a good way to do it is to squeeze from the top.
I'll do it.
Okay. And when you've got a bit on there, then you use the spoon to spread it out.
Listen, this is a really big spoon. You didn't know we had it, didn't you?
Didn't know that.
So we forgot when we did it.
Yeah, we did. I'm also
And when you was out of the spoon, you just stuck it.
You do love your tomato sauce, don't you? Perhaps don't do mine when you've been sucking it. Do your own, yeah?
Is that yours?
These mine, that's yours.
Mine was only little.
Well, you need to put some more sauce on it, don't you?
Oh, that one's weird.
That's okay. Now, as you can see, it makes a lovely base, doesn't it?
I just did it the line for them.
Yes.
And sometimes you need meat. Sometimes you need meat. And sometimes we can line up on the sometimes.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Now, I need the cheese grater.
Now, this is good enough. When you're done, don't say what we're got up to build better fields, sorry.
That's okay. Right.
At least you got more ketchup.
Yes, that's true. The next thing to do, if I grate some
This
cheese.
is mine, this is metal.
Yes. So I'm just going to get some
So I'm gonna like cheese. So boys and girls, I'm gonna have this kind of cheese. This cheese is really yummy for the girls, isn't it?
What's it called?
It's, I don't know. Just see, let's just listen to what it says.
baby bell. Oh yes, be careful with knives, boys and girls. Do you want me to cut it up for you?
So boys and girls, you have to be really careful with real baby moths. You can do it with little and toy ones. You can do it with little and toy ones, can't you?
That's absolutely true, Ted. So we say the best thing to do, if you've got a sharp knife or scissors, is to ask an adult to do it for you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now.
Yeah, but you can use toy of them and little ones, can't you?
That is true.
You can never use it because you never know if you'll hurt yourself. You never know if you'll hurt yourself.
I'll chop up the cheese. You may need more than one. We'll see if this is enough or not, won't we, Ted?
Yes. And I'm going to sprinkle it on, girls.
And I would say that sometimes cheddars can be a bit too crumbly for this. Sometimes it's better to have a more firm cheese.
Yes, sometimes it is. You always have to listen to her because she's the grandmother. You don't know if she's my husband, she's my mummy, daddy, boys and girls.
Do you think they knew that?
Is the house actually my mummy?
Yes. Right. Perhaps
I
you-
need amazing shirt.
Perhaps you can put that cheese away for me while I put the cheese away.
All of it.
Well, yeah, cover it.
I can have some I'll get some more. I'll have to do this. I'll just have this money. I'm going to put the rest of it on. Ta-da, how's it look?
That's great.
Are we making pizzas?
And now the final bit, and you don't have to do this, boys and girls, but I think it makes it really tasty, is the sausage.
You don't have to have sausages if you don't like it. But a lot of people love one day. I was a bit silly and joking, wasn't I?
Do you want one of yours?
Yeah.
When were you silly and joking?
Because when I said I don't like sausages, and I do.
Oh, yes. I'll tell you something, boys and girls. Ted loves his sausages. So if he ever says he doesn't like sausages, he's just joking, aren't you?
Yeah, sometimes I might think I am. Well, tomato, because
Well, actually, I'm not going to have any tomato because I've already got tomato puree.
I don't want any tomato. Why did you get tomato out of silly sausage?
Oh, dear. Did you hear what my son called me? A silly sausage. Well, Ted, sometimes I thought boys and girls might like it, but not today.
Or like.
Tomato on their pizza. So, just pop your sausage meat.
Well,
on
and
your
you
pizza.
should be really careful to get in the floor unless if it's soft.
Oh, yes, that's very good advice.
And if you want to wait and you want to sit down, just do this so you can still eat.
But you're still being careful, aren't you? You won't get hurt. Excellent. Now, we put these in the oven for 10 minutes and then we'll be back.
And what do we get? Should we just wait until then?
Yes. I'm just going to put the timer on.
I'll do it.
Okay.
How do you have to press the button?
No, you have to press that start stop.
That?
That's it. I will take a short break now, boys and girls. Bye.